Morning. So, another week has gone by, and where are we on this morning challenge? Last week, I did some more iteration tests, and the goal was to get them up earlier. And this week, the funny thing is, it was daylight savings yesterday. So, the work that I did last week kind of got, redone, but I will say this is the findings that yes, of course, getting up earlier does help, and it helps with, us getting out of the house at a better time and me not stressing as much, too. So, I'll say it's a win, and that's something I want to continue doing. So, to sum up, I've been iterating. So, what I realized in this whole progression, so first I thought the problem was, the problem that needed to be solved was I was getting to work way too late, and that was a problem, right? And then as I was going through the iterations and the testing, and specifically when I had Matt, my husband, at home for that week, and I could do the test where, what if I had a helper? What if I had someone that could take over and I could leave at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., whenever, and just go and leave them and they'd be fine. I realized, one, I didn't do that. And then that made me realize, well, why am I not doing that? And then it occurred to me, oh, it's because I want to spend time with them, and I am prioritizing my time versus getting to work on time. And it took me a while to kind of go through this, and then I was like, it was like that realization, right? And I was like, oh, okay, I see what I'm doing, and would I change that? And I was like, honestly, no, I wouldn't. I mean, I think if I'm lucky I have the type of job that does allow me to come in late, but in my mind I was like, I don't have much time with them during the weekdays as a working parent. This is my time I have with them in the morning, and in the evening I get home, maybe I have an hour with them, if that, before they go to bed. So this is my time, and that's what's going on. I am prioritizing my time because I don't want to rush it. I want to enjoy it. I mean, I'll share some video, some of the stuff that happens in the morning just between the three of us. It's hysterical, and I love it, and it's some of my best memories of being a parent so far is the little things they do. And and I still do it, but if I was all stressed up and just screaming at them to be let's go, let's get ready, and not stop to enjoy those moments, it would be horrible. So that's what's so great about kind of this design mindset, the kind of going through problems in this iterative way. And I think the most interesting thing is when you start with something, you think you know what the problem is, right? You think you know what needs to be solved. But the hardest part is actually figuring out what is the problem. So in my mind, when I started this, I was like, oh, well, the problem is it's very clear cut. I can't get to work on time. How am I going to do that? And then as I was going through the iterations, I was like, oh, well, it turns out maybe I don't want to get to work on time because I want to spend more time with my kids, because this is the only time. And as long as I get to work and I get my work done that I need to get done during the day, then what's the harm in it? Obviously, if I have meetings or whatnot, it's not the best. And it goes through the whole thing, can you win it all? Can you be the best person at work and the best parent? And it's going to be imperfect, right? So I'm creating my perfect version of the imperfect. So right now, I'm going to be okay. I'm going to try in my head to resolve the fact that it's okay if I'm a little late to work, because I am prioritizing the time with my kids, and then I'll make it up. I'll work through lunch. I'll make sure my work is done. But I want that time in the morning with my kids, and not to stress myself out that I'm not there at 9 a.m. right on the dot. So that's where I came, and I wouldn't have realized this unless I went through kind of this testing iterations, and I was like, oh, So to sum up, I think one, it's not completely solved yet, because one, nothing's ever completely solved. It's always going to be this like progressive thing that always needs to be revisited, but that's the beauty of it. I don't know if it's a beauty or if someone would like it or not like it, but everything's always evolving, so you always have to look at it again and change it up. But for right now, two things. One thing, acknowledging that I am choosing this. I am choosing to prioritize time with my kids in the morning and sacrificing being a little late to work sometimes. And two, I'll just wake up a little earlier as well. So I'm kind of compromising on both ends, and if I can keep on working like in increments to wake all of us up a little earlier, then it will like offset how late I am essentially, and then also give me more quality time with them in the morning. So it's those two things, and those are my solutions right now to this current morning challenge, and I'm going to keep on working on it. I'm going to keep on iterating. I've done some efficiency things too to save my time in the morning that I'll share, but overall I think this whole process has been really interesting, and I hope you have too. And I'm going to keep on going with this. I'm going to keep on using other problems or challenges that I'm facing, and I'm going to apply this mindset and solve them in this own kind of like perfect imperfect way, and create, the perfect imperfect life. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.